This Paris Hilton 6-quart manual slow cooker is a clear reminder that practical kitchen appliances do not have to be dull or forgettable. This slow cooker blends everyday functionality with a bold sense of personality, offering home cooks a reliable way to prepare comforting meals while also elevating the visual appeal of the kitchen. Designed for families, entertainers, and anyone who values ease of use, this appliance focuses on simplicity, capacity, and thoughtful materials rather than unnecessary complexity. At first glance, the design sets it apart from standard slow cookers. The soft pink exterior paired with gold accents makes a confident statement without feeling overdone. It is visually striking yet surprisingly versatile, fitting comfortably into modern, minimalist, and eclectic kitchen setups. Unlike appliances meant to be hidden away, this one feels designed to stay on the countertop as part of the decor. Style aside, the construction feels solid, with a reassuring weight that speaks to durability and long-term use. The 6-quart capacity is one of the strongest selling points of this slow cooker. It comfortably accommodates meals for 7 or more people, making it ideal for large families, holiday gatherings, or weekly meal prep. From hearty soups and stews to pulled meats, casseroles, and one-pot pasta dishes, the oval stoneware insert allows for even cooking and generous portions. For hosts who enjoy preparing meals ahead of time, this size offers flexibility without being bulky or overwhelming. Ease of use is clearly a priority here. The manual control system keeps things refreshingly straightforward. There are 3 temperature settings: low, high, and warm, covering the full range of slow cooking needs. This simplicity is especially appealing to users who want dependable results without navigating digital menus or complicated presets. Plug it in, choose a setting, and let the slow cooker do the work. That intuitive experience makes it accessible for beginners while remaining dependable for experienced cooks. The stoneware insert deserves special attention. It features a naturally nonstick surface made without PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, or PFOS, which adds peace of mind for health-conscious households. Food releases easily, even after long cooking times, helping meals maintain their texture and flavor. The stoneware also retains heat efficiently, promoting even cooking throughout the pot and reducing hot spots that can lead to uneven results. Cleanup is another area where this slow cooker shines. Both the removable stoneware insert and the tempered glass lid are dishwasher-safe, which significantly cuts down on post-meal effort. For busy families or anyone balancing cooking with a packed schedule, this feature alone can be a deciding factor. The smooth, naturally non-stick interior further simplifies hand washing when needed. From a performance standpoint, the Paris Hilton 6-quart manual slow cooker delivers consistent, reliable cooking results. On the low setting, tougher cuts of meat break down beautifully over several hours, while the high setting is well suited for soups, chili, and quicker meals when time is limited. The warm setting is particularly useful for entertaining, keeping food at serving temperature without overcooking or drying it out. This slow cooker also fits well into modern meal planning habits. It supports batch cooking, freezer-friendly recipes, and hands-off preparation, all of which save time and reduce daily stress. For those trying to cook more at home, it becomes a dependable tool that encourages better eating habits without demanding constant attention. From an SEO perspective, this product naturally aligns with keywords such as manual slow cooker, 6-quart slow cooker, family-size slow cooker, dishwasher-safe slow cooker, nonstick stoneware slow cooker, and stylish kitchen appliances. Its combination of design and practicality gives it a strong position in a crowded category often dominated by plain, utilitarian models. What ultimately makes this slow cooker appealing is how seamlessly it fits into everyday life. It is not trying to reinvent slow cooking. Instead, it focuses on doing the basics well while adding personality and convenience. That balance makes it an attractive option for households that value both form and function. Key features and benefits: large 6-quart capacity suitable for 7+ servings. Simple manual controls with low, high, and warm settings. Naturally non-stick stoneware insert made without harmful coatings. Dishwasher-safe stoneware pot and tempered glass lid. Stylish pink finish with gold accents. Oval shape ideal for roasts and family-size meals. Pros and cons of Paris Hilton 6-quart manual slow cooker. Pros: Generous capacity ideal for families and entertaining. Extremely easy to use with straightforward manual controls. Naturally nonstick stoneware promotes easy food release. Dishwasher-safe components simplify cleanup. Visually striking design that enhances kitchen decor. Even, reliable cooking performance. Cons: no digital timer or programmable features. Exterior design may not appeal to all minimalist tastes. Larger size requires adequate counter or storage space. Who this slow cooker is best for? The Paris Hilton 6-quart manual slow cooker is best suited for families, meal preppers, and home cooks who want dependable performance without technical complexity. It is especially appealing to those who appreciate stylish kitchen appliances that feel personal rather than generic. If you enjoy hosting, cooking in batches, or preparing comforting meals with minimal effort, this slow cooker fits naturally into your routine. Final verdict: the Paris Hilton 6-quart manual slow cooker successfully proves that a kitchen appliance can be both functional and fashionable. Its generous capacity, easy controls, and naturally non-stick stoneware make it practical for everyday cooking, while its bold design turns it into a statement piece rather than an afterthought. For anyone seeking a reliable, family-sized slow cooker with personality, this model offers genuine value and everyday convenience. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.